Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming Office 2016 is activated and that you have administrator rights on this PC. Open Word or Excel now, go to File, then Options, then Language. You choose two items, the display language and the editing proofing language. Once you pick which to change, click the corresponding Add a Language button. Make sure to download a language pack if prompted. This is required for full UI localization. Proceed immediately to add the target language so you can install its components. After adding the language, click Install or Download Proofing Tools. This fetches spell check, grammar, and hyphenation files. Once the components are present, set the new language as default for editing, and, if desired, for display and help using the drop-downs, you may need to move it to the top of the list. If the UI language stays unchanged, close all Office apps and run Windows Update or the Language Pack installer manually. These steps ensure both typing and menus reflect your chosen language correctly. Finish by closing every Office application and then reopen one to confirm the UI and proofing language switched. If the UI did not change, restart the computer. Sometimes a reboot finalizes Language Pack registration. If problems persist, run Control Panel Program's Office 2016 Change Repair to restore language functionality. Also check group policy or admin restrictions that block language installs. If those exist, contact your admin. This troubleshooting step resolves most remaining failures so your Office behaves in the chosen language.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.